How to use aloe vera gel for long and lustrous hair. Aloe vera has long been praised as a skin and hair care product. This plant is a treasure trove of essential amino acids and proteolytic enzymes that efficiently help improve the quality of your hair and scalp, further boosting hair growth. It is believed that aloe vera gel has over 75 nutrients that can benefit your hair. No wonder, it has been used for medicinal purposes for time immemorial. Here are 2 aloe vera hair masks that you can include in your hair care routine. Number 1. Honey and aloe vera hair mask. Take some honey, aloe vera gel and coconut oil and mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Massage the mixture on your scalp and then work it down to the tips of your hair. Once you have applied, leave it for about 20 minutes, before washing it off with cold water and shampoo. Coconut oil and honey are said to be amazing conditioners that help seal the moisture in your hair. Number 2. Lemon and aloe vera gel. If you suffer from dandruff or dry scalp, use lemon juice. Combine lemon juice and aloe vera gel and massage the mixture on your scalp and hair for a few minutes. Leave it for about 20 minutes, and rinse your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Lemon is rich in vitamin C content that is essential for the synthesis of collagen, which promotes hair growth. In fact, lemon juice also helps maintain pH levels of your scalp. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.